I made a game using Unity. Sort of. Let me explain. So, when developing this game, I had one idea in mind, to create a functional working game. And to do that, I had to do a lot of planning, preparation, and learning, because Unity isn't my first game development engine. I've used Godot, Unreal Engine, and I've also used GDevelop as well. Now, starting from the beginning. In college, we were told that we had to do this thing called a Final Major Project, which is short for FMP. This project allowed us to pretty much do whatever we want. We could make Minecraft tutorials, we could make websites, we could do literally all sorts. And for my FMP, I decided to do a game. And this game was called Mean Bean. It's essentially a bunch of beans just shooting each other up, which is cool, but let me explain about the planning. So, it took me a couple of weeks to do all the planning, designing, documentation, which was a nightmare. But after I got all that done, I was then moving on to the fun part, which is the actual game development part. Now, when I was first introduced to Unity, it was pretty cool, because in my eyes, it was very beginner friendly. I tried to get some players and platforms in, using the actual built-in assets that were already in there, such as the cubes, spheres, capsules, etc. And one thing that I noticed was coding is going to be a nightmare. You see, when it comes to Unreal Engine, Unreal Engine has this thing called Blueprints, which is built inside of it. And Godot has built-in code inside of it, and the same goes for GDevelop. But I had to get a script writer, or script document, or whatever the hell it's called, and the one I ended up picking was Visual Code Studio. And once all this was all sorted, I then decided to see if it was good. And long story short, from all the reviews that I've seen, it's good, but I just couldn't get it to work for some reason on my first attempt. So I'm like, okay. And I then decided to develop the map. And slowly and very slowly, I started creating the map. Now, I couldn't do it exactly from photo because I realized that some of this was taken from some game ideas, but I'd rather just create like a fully unique and original map. And this is what I had ideated. Well, this is the game I pretty much had visualized in a way. So I know it's pretty basic, like it's just a bunch of blocks put together, but as my first release game, I thought to myself, this actually wouldn't be a bad first release game. Now, time to do the movement. Oh wait, the code doesn't work. Yep, that's right, the issue that I had before with the movement just wouldn't work. I tried everything, looking up tutorials, looking up ideas, looking up settings that I might have disabled, and I even tried to use the other visual code, which weirdly enough there was like two, I don't know why, but yeah, I tried using the other one and even that didn't work. And no matter what I tried doing, it just wouldn't work. And I knew it wasn't the actual script document either because, well, I used both the visual codes and neither of them worked. So I was thinking to myself, what could I do? I'm about to fail and I don't know what I could do. But then an idea hits. I just decided to make it a prototype. Yep, that's right. I decided to finish the game but without the code. And instead what I've done is I'm gonna keep it as a prototype, as a little design for any future game ideas that I have. And who knows, maybe I could turn this into like a full-on Mean Bean game and add a lot more with more time to have. But yeah, this is me pretty much sort of making a game. I mean, it's a prototype, it's not a functioning game, but hopefully later on when I have a lot more knowledge with Unity and I'm able to get the script documents all working, hopefully I'll be able to get Unity just working perfectly, and hopefully I'll be able to fully develop this game. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and just check out future videos of mine. Anyways, enjoy, and have a good day.